Two customers, same bank, same month, same $35 fee. One paid it, one made a 2-minute phone call. For about 10 years, I was the person on the other end of that call. I held fee waiver authority, and here is the secret the fee schedule never prints. We almost always said yes. Banks collect billions in fees every year, and a real slice of that money is simply never asked about. Today, the fees that bend the moment you ask, the exact words that work, and the one desk almost nobody knows to call. 20 years inside the building. Consider this the employee handbook, handed across the counter. Let us begin. A quick note before we begin. I spent more than 20 years in banking, including about 10 years as a branch manager and district manager, but I am not your banker, your attorney, or your financial advisor, and nothing in this video is personal financial advice. No waiver is guaranteed. Policies differ by bank and change over time, and the person you reach has real discretion. And one thing said plainly, some fees are fair prices for real services. This video is about the ones that bend, not a war on every charge. Any stories come from real experience, with the details changed. With that said, here is why banks fold. First, understand the math on my side of the desk, because it explains everything that follows. Winning a brand new customer costs a bank hundreds of dollars in marketing, staff time, and promotions. Keeping you costs a $35 fee waived once. That is the entire equation. Every waiver I approved was not generosity, it was arithmetic. A profitable customer walking out over one fee is the worst trade in banking, which means when you call, you are not begging for a favor. You are reminding the bank of its own math. The customers who understood that asked calmly, once a year or less, and walked out lighter almost every time. Here is where to aim first. Target number 1, the overdraft fee, and this one bends the easiest of all. If a slip-up just cost you a fee and your account is normally in good shape, call and ask for a courtesy reversal. From the manager's desk, first-time asks were nearly automatic. The system even suggested it to us. Here is the inside detail. Banks track courtesy usage. Most allow a reversal or two per year before the well runs dry. So spend those asks wisely and pair them with the free fix, turning off debit overdraft coverage so an empty account simply declines. One polite call recovers this month's fee. One free setting prevents next month's. Together they close the biggest fee category in banking. Target number 2, the monthly maintenance fee, the quiet subscription most people never chose. Here is what the fee schedule buries. Almost every account with a monthly fee also has built-in ways to escape it. A direct deposit of a certain size, a minimum balance, sometimes just being over a certain age, or a student, or having served. So the ask here is one question. Which waiver paths does my account have? And am I one small change from qualifying? And if your account has no path, ask the follow-up. Is there a free account I can switch this to? There almost always is, one shelf over. From the desk, we moved customers to free versions every single week, but only the ones who asked. The fee schedule never volunteers. Now the credit card side, where two different asks live, and the second one is the best kept secret in this video. Ask number 1, the late fee. Slip once after years of on-time payments, call the number on the card, and ask for a one-time courtesy waiver. Issuers grant these constantly for good customers, and some will soften the interest charge from the slip too, if you ask about both. Ask number 2, the annual fee, and this one has its own secret department. When you call about canceling, you often reach the retention desk. Their whole job is keeping you, and their toolbox is real. Annual fees waived, statement credits, bonus points in exchange for staying. The honest script is simple. The annual fee is making me reconsider this card. Are there any retention offers on my account? Then be quiet and let their toolbox open. Beyond the big 3, a whole shelf of smaller fees bends for polite, established customers. Wire transfer fees, cashier's check fees, stop payments, even safe deposit rent. Long tenure customers get these softened every day. The lever is relationship. Banks quietly tier their generosity by how much of your life sits under their roof, which cuts both ways, and I will be honest about it. Concentrating everything at one bank buys waiver power, but as we covered in the account video, it costs you separation. My advice from the desk: keep the healthy two-bank structure and let your primary bank know its share of your life when you ask. Tenure counts, even without totals. Years with the bank is quiet leverage. Mention it once, kindly, and let it sit on the table while they decide. Now, the exact words, because the words matter more than people think. Step 1. Open kindly. Hello, I have been a customer for some years and I am hoping for your help with a fee. Step 2. Name the ask. I am hoping you can apply a courtesy adjustment. That phrase lives in their system. Using it tells them you know it exists. Step 3. One sentence of context, honest and brief. This was a one-time slip, and my account has been in good standing for years. Then stop talking. Silence does the negotiating. The person on the line has a button for this, and most of them enjoy pressing it. If the answer is no, one polite escalation. I understand. Is there a supervisor or a retention team who might have more flexibility? Then accept the final answer gracefully. Never lie, never threaten, never argue with a teller who does not set the fees. Kindness is not just decency here, it is strategy. Notes follow your account. 2 customers from my desk, details changed. The first banked with us for 20 years and never asked for anything. Overdrafts in hard months, maintenance fees on an old account type, wire fees for family abroad, quietly, faithfully paid for 2 decades. The second customer, half the tenure, called twice a year. Kind, brief, specific. Her file was a row of courtesy adjustments. Same bank, same fee schedule. Over the years, the difference between their 2 files came to thousands of dollars. And here is what stayed with me. The first customer would have gotten nearly every yes. He had the tenure, the standing, all of it. He just never knew asking was allowed. Nobody at the bank was ever going to tell him. So I am telling you, asking is allowed. It always was. Now the honest chapter. Sometimes the answer is no and stays no. Here is how to read it. A no on a courtesy ask is not an insult. Budgets tighten, meters run out, policies shift. Accept it gracefully and ask again another season. But a pattern of no on fees other banks routinely waive is information. It is your bank telling you what your business is worth to them. And as we covered in the savings rate video, banks price your inertia. The ultimate fee waiver has always been the willingness to move. Switching is easier than it looks. New account first, redirect the deposits, migrate the auto payments, close at 0 with written confirmation, exactly as the mistakes video laid out. One boundary worth naming. Regulator complaints are for genuine errors and mistreatment, not for fees you simply dislike. Keep that tool honest and it stays powerful when you truly need it. Put it all together with a once-a-year ritual I would give my own family. The fee audit, 20 minutes, every January. Pull 1-month statements and list every fee you paid last year. Most people have never once seen their annual total. Then work the list. Courtesy ask on any one-time slips. The waiver path question on monthly fees. The retention call on any card fee. Turn off overdraft coverage if it crept back on. Glance at your savings rate while you are logged in and confirm the free account versions still fit you. For most households, this recovers real money, often a few $100s, for the cost of 2 phone calls and some kindness. The bank runs this exact audit on you every year. From the other direction, January is simply your turn. So remember what the fee schedule never prints. A real slice of every fee is negotiable, and the math is on your side. Courtesy adjustments on slips, waiver paths on monthly fees, the retention desk on annual fees, and kindness through all of it. Ask calmly, ask sparingly, accept a no with grace, and let a pattern of no send you somewhere better. 20 years inside the building, and the saddest file I ever saw belonged to the man who never knew asking was allowed. Now you know. If someone you love has been quietly paying every fee for years, send them this video today and subscribe, because protecting your money is what we do here. I will see you in the next video.